Alright, today I have a Honda Odyssey 2006. They changed the ignition switch here with the keys, and the vehicle now is not starting up at all. So we're gonna see if we program the keys here using this machine here, Autel MaxiDAS DS708. Open the ignition switch and you will see the light for the key right there. Let's crank the engine and nothing. We go to Honda here and we're gonna choose the location, and this was built in America. When you're doing this, just make sure the battery is well charged, because the machine takes a lot of power, plus the instrument cluster right there, and if you have a weak battery, the entire job is gonna fail and you will have to redo it again. Control unit, immobilizer. Keep the ignition on until the tester directs you to turn the ignition off. Set up immobilizer. Add and delete keys. All keys lost. How many keys I want to register? 2 of them. And they bought these keys online on Amazon, and I got a feeling they are not gonna be good. The registration keys have failed, and I have determined that we have bad keys here. These keys are not good. Keys bought on the internet, on eBay, Amazon. In most of the cases, when you have problems that you cannot program keys, these are the problem, the keys. So I try and can't program these keys at all. They bought it from Amazon. They cannot be programmed to the immobilizer, to the PCM. I don't know if they have the box here. I'm looking for the box, but because I didn't do this job, someone else did it. Whoever installed the thing right there, they bought the whole thing, and I don't know where they threw the box. They are not good. Sometimes they work, and sometimes they work for a little bit, for a short period of time. But when it comes to programming keys, it's not recommended to buy things online like in Amazon or eBay. They fail most of the time, and that's what it says. Immobilizer system is not normal. It's because of these things here. So if you're lucky, they can work and they can last a long time probably. See, no communication between key and immobilizer unit right there. Here are all the possible causes here. Update here, they replace the ignition switch again. Here are the new keys. I'm gonna see if this works, so I'm gonna start the process. This is the ignition switch that they took out, the one that they bought on Amazon. Alright, here I am at the same menu as I was before, with the old ignition switch, the keys from online, add and delete keys, all keys lost. Turn the ignition switch to on with another key within 20 seconds. However, I'll use the same one. It makes no difference. As long as the keys are fine, everything is gonna work. Is the immobilizer indicator light turned off? We're gonna see that. And yes, it is. The security light is off. I'm gonna see if I can turn on the engine to see if it works. And definitely it is working. The truck is up and running right now at this moment. I have programmed one key already. I'm gonna see if I can add the other one. Now this key just became a master key, so don't take it out. I have to use it to add this one here. Turn it on with the original key. Turn the ignition switch to on with the new key within 20 seconds. Turn the ignition switch off within 17 seconds. Turn the ignition switch on within 20 seconds without changing the key. Is the immobilizer indicator light turned off? Let me see that. And definitely it is turned off. The registration of keys has been completed. Turn the ignition switch off. Check all keyless remotes to ensure each will start the engine. We're gonna see that now. And there is the van up and running with the key that we just added. And I'm gonna check the master key one more time just to make sure that both of them are working. Nice, both of the keys are working. So this is how you program keys on Honda vehicles. Remember, this is Autel MaxiDAS DS708. Thanks for watching and God bless you all.